The Neo Slushy Maker is the perfect addition for summertime and caters for all ages. Whether it's an exotic cocktail for the adults or a sweet fruity drink for the kids, the Neo Slushy machine is sure to please all. So get creative and see what mouth-watering beverages you can come up with. To create the perfect slushy drink in minutes, simply pour 2 ounces of cold water into the ice canister. Next, add the ice in layers, followed by a tablespoon of rock salt. Repeat this process until it reaches 1 inch below the top of the canister. Replace the slushy maker lid and pour your chosen syrup, soft drink or favourite tipple into the rear section of the lid, making sure not to exceed 1 litre of liquid. You can now turn the power base switch to mix and leave it to work its magic. Make sure to check on the mixture regularly and add more ice and rock salt if necessary. The mixture should take around 15 to 20 minutes, depending on the desired consistency. Once your slushy is ready, turn the power base switch to dispense. Place your glass underneath the chrome dispenser and turn the handle clockwise to release the mixture. To shut off the dispenser, turn the handle anti-clockwise and then flip the switch to the off position once you're finished. Treat everybody to your delicious slushy drinks with the Neo Slushy Drinks Maker.